Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we have another exercise for you. This is also about rounding numbers. The function floor may be used to round a number to specific decimal place. The statement that you can see in here rounds x to the 10th position, the first position to the right of the decimal point. The statement, as you can see in here, rounds x to the 100th position. As you can see, we have used the quotient of 100 and also we have used the divisor of 100. We would like you to write a program that defines 4 functions to round a number x in various ways. Round to integer, round to tenth, round to hundreds, and round to thousands. For each value the program inputs, display the original value, the number rounded to the nearest integer, the number rounded to the nearest tenth, the number rounded to the nearest hundred, and the number rounded to the nearest thousand. Go on and try to solve this problem and come back to this video for the solution. Hello and welcome back, and as you can see here we have solved this rounding number exercise. Let me go through this solution for you and try to explain it a little bit for you. As you can see, we have our prototypes, all of the functions that we were supposed to declare. We have declared it here in the prototypes. The main function starts, we are getting the user's float number in here. Then using printf, we are prompting the user to enter the floating point number. Using scanf, we will store it in this variable, and the while loop will continuously run until the user enters 0. As you can see, we have got the number in here. We are going to print the original number, going to print the rounded to integer, and use this function to print the value, and subsequently we'll print the rounded to tenths, and using this function to print a value, and going on we will do this like that, and the while loop will continue running until we see a 0 entered by the user. And as you can see in here, all of these functions are being defined and they are using exactly the same statement that was given to us in the question explanation. And that's how this program is going to run. Let's go and compile it and run it and see how it works. For example, I want to enter a number 45.7639. As you can see in here, the original number is 45.763901, because as we have said, the floating point numbers, they are always approximation. You can see the integer, you can see the tenth of this number, always approximation, as we have said before, the hundreds and the thousands. And that's it for this episode, everyone. I hope to see you in the coming episodes as well.